just one question at the moment, that by when will a cure or a vaccine be available for COVID-19? To talk about this, we have with us DG CSIR, Dr. Shekhar Mande. Sir, you, in collaboration with Ayush, are working on certain medicinal plants to find a cure for COVID-19. Could you please highlight on that?
So we are actually working on multiple things, and our collaboration with Ayush is one of those. We have identified 4 different Ayush formulations as potential therapy, and that's exactly what we are trying with Ayush. The discussions are on at a very advanced stage, that how do we start clinical trials of all these 4. So in a day or two, both Secretary Ayush, Vaidya Rajesh Koteja ji, and I will take a decision on how do we start trials on this. But apart from Ayush, something similar, something called a phytopharmaceutical in India, while in US it is called a botanical. So we are also working on those, and a trial of which with one of the major pharmaceutical companies in India is already now starting.
So the Drug Research Institute in Lucknow, which has been even recognized by the United Nations to find a cure for COVID-19, how is the Drug Institute approaching?
So Drug Institute in Lucknow, the Central Drug Research Institute, is trying on multiple fronts. One is the repurposing of drugs, whether we can actually start repurposing drugs and start testing them. The second is trying to find new drugs, but that process inherently is very long, the new drugs process. So our emphasis right now really on repurposing. But they will also soon really start testing the plasma of people for antibodies, if people have antibodies or not. So these are the things that Central Drug Research Institute is doing right now.
So by when can we expect a cure or a vaccine to cure COVID-19?
Now that's a very difficult question to give a very definite answer, that in so many days or so many weeks or so many months. What we can do best is start the trials. There is a process of doing the trials, and we have already begun one vaccine trial now. Since yesterday we have begun a vaccine trial with AIIMS New Delhi, AIIMS Bhopal and PGI Chandigarh, where we are recruiting patients. And there is a therapy already in the field called MW. And this MW is already being used for leprosy in India. It already has an approval to be used as a leprosy vaccine. That trial we think should be also done for corona, and that trial has started yesterday, along with one of the major pharmaceutical companies.
And so any other country which has made progress on finding, because right now the entire planet is working together to find a cure. So any other country which has made a significant process in this regard?
So there are many countries which are working on multiple aspects of vaccine and drugs. As I said, our strategy is more or less identical with the strategy of any other country. That in terms of drugs, all of us are looking at repurposing drugs. And there is a trial that the WHO calls as Solidarity, which India also is a part of Solidarity trial. So the drugs which are being repurposed, their activity being tested against corona, some of them will be tested in India. In terms of vaccines, people have taken multiple approaches, and at least in CSIR, we are partnered with 2 major pharmaceutical companies, one biotech company in Hyderabad and one in another company in Gujarat, who are working with us for the vaccine trials.
So what are these medicinal plants that you are working on?
So the medicinal plant that we are working on, so the trial which has started actually is already under phase 2 clinical trial against dengue, and it's a plant in Madhya Pradesh. It is called Cocculus hirustus. It's some sort of a bale jo hoti hai na, creeper. And tribal knowledge is there that actually it works as against mosquito bites and things like that. We think that because dengue virus and coronavirus have some distant similarities, it could also be tried against corona. So that trial is actually beginning very soon. With Ayush, what we are starting is there are 4 different formulations. One is of ashwagandha, Withania somnifera, and there are 2 other plants. One is Tinospora cordiophilia and Glycyrrhizia glabra. I don't know the popular names of this. You can Google this and then find out the actual name, what is popular name. But the fourth one is Ayush 64. So these are the 4 essential formulations that we have taken a call with Rajesh Kuteja ji and I together through multiple meetings. And we have actually, with proper consultations and all, have come down with these 4 whose trial should be started very soon.
Hi everyone, I'm Sujarita Kukreti. Thanks for checking out Republic World. If you would like to watch more show highlights and live coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the Republic World News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.